As proposed by India, United Nations General Assembly declared 2023 as International Year of Millets. This initiative aims at establishing the benefits of millet among all. Millets, also known as a nutri-cereal, is rich in fiber, protein, healthy fats and essential minerals. There are several healthy dishes prepared from millets, but what we love the most is a hearty bowl of millet rice. So now let's take a look at the benefits of consuming millet rice every day.
Well, millet rice can be eaten with any vegetable and has several health benefits. Millets help to flush out toxins from body and promote metabolism and keeps us fuller for longer duration, thereby promoting weight loss. Secondly, it helps to manage diabetes as it has low glycemic index. The fiber in millets keeps blood sugar and cholesterol under control. Millet rice can also cure anemia as it has abundant iron in it. Not just this, the nutri-cereal has calcium, zinc, copper, potassium and magnesium that makes teeth and bones strong. It also boosts heart health and it has high fiber content, which is great for managing cholesterol levels in the body.